It's a very simple question given in two-dimensional motion in NEET 2013 examination. Velocity of a projectile is given as 2i plus 3j at point A. What's the velocity at the point B is the question, right? Let me draw the diagram for you to understand that how can you find velocity of the projectile. So when you project the projectile with a velocity u making an angle theta, we know it takes a path of parabola. We have proved that. At this point, this u can be resolved into components as a vector. Horizontal component becomes u cos theta. Vertical component becomes u sin theta. At any of the point, if this tangent is the u, then this becomes u cos theta, and it becomes u sin theta, of course. And of course, this theta is different from the previous case. Now come to this point, this end point, right? So one important point that you need to understand here is, as here the angle is theta, as for the law of symmetry, here also the angle is theta. So here, projectile hits the background, hits back the ground with the same velocity u. Now we can try to resolve this u into components. This is adjacent component u cos theta. This is vertical component u sin. So you notice horizontal components. Earlier it is u cos theta. Finally also it is u cos theta and its direction remains same. So what's the point that we have understood? Horizontal component of velocity of projectile throughout the journey remains same. It's not going to change. But when it comes to maximum height, at this height, the vertical component of velocity becomes 0. And at this height, it is going to only have horizontal velocity. Similarly, when it comes to this bottom place also, u cos theta remains same, but look at the u sin theta of the initial, it is upward. Look at the final, it is downward. The magnitude is same, but the directions are opposite. So what we can say further? Vertical component of velocity of a projectile keep on changing, and what we can say, while it is striking back the same point of reference, I mean to say this point, when compared with this point, vertical component Vy gets reversed. Its direction gets reversed. You can notice here it is downward when compared with the earlier who is upward. So if, what we can say, if u initial or u is 2i plus 3j, its v will be horizontal component remains the same, vertical component magnitude also remains same, but direction gets reversed. So it becomes minus 3j. So plus 2i minus 3j is the answer for the problem. That's how we solve the problem to get to the answer. And it's purely conceptual. You should understand these basics so that you will be able to answer this kind of questions. That's it. Thank you for watching.